Hi, my name is Ken Schweniger and I'm the owner of Shed Time Incorporated. We've been building storage buildings for 16 years on our own, and I'd like for you to come by and take a look at what we have to offer you. We build high quality storage buildings at very, very competitive prices. You will find that our quality is completely and totally different than anything else you can find on the market. And that's because I build storage buildings the same way that I would want one built. Something that would last me as long as my house, trouble free. And here at Shed Time, when we paint your building, we completely prime it. So that way no water can get into it and you'll never see any watermarks in the inside of your buildings. So here at Shed Time, you need to take a look at what you're buying. Pricing by the phone doesn't really help you any, because all you're going to get is price and no quality. So come on by and take a look at Shed Time and see what we have to offer. And I look forward to meeting you, and we'll be glad to take you on a tour of the place. And if you'd like any other videos on tips or suggestions or ideas, please go to shedtimeinc.com for further videos. And I thank you for taking a look at this one. Have a nice day.